there's two ways of thinking about this. One is that we should be definitely working on these sight recovery technologies, and trying to kind of get them to the stage where they can really improve the vision of people who have suffered from vision loss. But I think it's equally important that we think about ways that you can make life much easier for a blind person. I think one of the hugest things that has happened for the blind community is not actually these technologies, it's the development of rideshare companies. So blind people are now much more independent in their transportation. They don't have to ring a taxi miles. You know, it's much easier to use an Uber than phone a taxi company. It's much, and things like that. So I think there are ways we could improve the light, and screen readers, again, ebooks are a huge advantage for blind people that have been transformative. So I think what we need to do is think about the balance we need to take in society between trying to fix blindness and trying to make blindness a condition where it's easier to kind of function in society without as much impairment.